ice storm. Let's go. Picked up a 4-wheeler for 900 bucks. This is 250, 2-wheel drive. What more do you need, bud? You can do this shit all day long. Oh shit, wait. The roads are clear. Woo! Roads are clear. Look at the seat. This is foam. That's why I got the tarp on the back. This is the high gear. I think the third gear is the high gear. I don't know. Oh, son. Today, baby. I probably should have just drove to where I'm going, but this is where I bought the 4-wheeler, so I can ride. It's just not slick yet. I mean, it's pretty slick, but it's not, I mean, I could drive.